Oh, hell. Okay, well, you know, I'm talking too much. See, I'm talking too much. I'm gonna have to edit all this out. You see that? Now I'm speeding it up. Hell. Okay, okay. How do these people, you know, this is why this is not a DIY channel. Okay, so here's something else for y'all that's over here. Just because I'm doing an episode of the Craft Corner, this will never be a DIY channel. You got me all the way messed up if you think that that's what we're gonna do over here. No. Don't do this. Don't. This will never, Beautiful Disasters, this will never be a craft channel, okay? Like I said, this is the first and probably the last episode of the Craft Corner, alright? Now, unless I get an idea again, and if I get an idea again, I'm gonna try to remember this moment right here, so that I can say, devil, you a lie. And I won't do this again, you know what I mean? So, yeah. Let me take a sip of my coffee, because, this is a lot.
What's up, beautiful disasters? I have a lot of energy this morning. I've had coffee. So, welcome to the Uncraft Craft Corner. That's right. It's called the Uncraft Craft Corner because I don't know what I'm doing. I am not a crafty person at all. But I went to Dollar Tree to find some things to decorate with, you know, for Halloween. So I had this idea and I want to see if it will work. Okay, so don't do what I'm doing unless this works. Obviously, this could be a total fail. And then you're doing what I'm doing and then you fail. And two fails don't make a right. Right? Okay, so let me tell you what my idea is, and then we're gonna see if it works, all right? So I have these vases, things that hold flowers around my house, okay? And so I want to basically do a Halloween type of thing and make these Halloweeny. And yes, that's a word. Okay. I don't know how this is going to turn out. I've already said that. So don't follow me. Don't do what I'm doing unless we know this is a win. Okay. That's the disclaimer. Don't say anything in the comments about you went and brought all this stuff and you didn't watch the whole video all the way through. And then you mad at me wanting me to refund you because you didn't listen. Okay. All right. So this was my idea. So I brought these twinkly lights from Dollar Tree. So I wanted to put these inside of the vases, the vases, whatever. Just, you know what they are, right? And then I have like this mesh. So I brought the mesh too. They had like sparkly mesh, glow in the dark mesh. And I was thinking of placing it on the inside. So in my idea, I had where I wanted to like have the mesh on the inside, have the sparkly lights maybe on the inside, like coming out or whatever, like sparkling up, and then have flowers like coming out of them, right? In my head, it looked pretty. Did I already say the disclaimer? I've given the disclaimer, okay? So I wanted to do, see, I'm starting to scare myself because I'm not a crafty person, y'all. There's not one crafty bone in my body. Not a bone, not a muscle, not a tendon, not a ligament. So the purple bats, I wanted to match with the glow in the dark glitter purple paper. Okay. So that was the idea, okay? And then I wanted the flowers, these flowers, to be the ones that come out. I also got these at Dollar Tree, y'all. Aren't they pretty? And it has the spider, the glittery spider. Or maybe did I want to do the spider with this one?
I'm sure I wanted to do that. I probably should have thought this out just a little bit more. I can do what I want. If it don't look right, nobody asked you.
What was I thinking in the store? That's okay. That's all right. I told y'all the disclaimer's already been given. Disclaimer has already been given. So if you hear, you already know what it's like over on my side. Okay. We just gonna work this out. All right. So, at the craft corner, you can fuck up. Okay. And there's no judgment. Okay, what are we gonna start with, guys? What are we gonna start with? I feel overwhelmed. See, I think, I have to be a little bit more considerate of myself when I'm making these YouTube videos, because I don't think that I'm taking my anxiety into account when I think I want to film a video. Because this is wait, it says always purchase the correct size and grade of battery. I was supposed to buy batteries? This didn't come with batteries? Wait a second now. Lord, I may have to stop the video to go to the store. We got to read. Reading is fundamental. Here's something else. This is why this will never be a craft channel, right? Because when you buy things from Dollar Tree or from any type of discount place, you're asking for too much if you want directions. The screw. Okay, so I found out that the batteries got to go in here, but you got to unscrew it. Okay, so I had to open the back, take the screw out, put batteries in, and I've got lights. All right, so I have to do this like 2 more times.
Battery for the next one. Okay, and the last one works. Okay. I mean, it's my craft, right? So I can do this in any order I feel like it. I feel like. I mean, if it don't work, it just don't work. Okay, so, this is not good for my anxiety. I don't know why I decided to do this. Shit. Okay, so, we're gonna start with I just feel like this, why did I do this? We're gonna start with the purple ones. I don't know.
So we're going to take this and we're going to drop it on into the base. Can y'all see? Y'all can't see. So I'm going to drop this into the base. Maybe I should put no, take it out. Take it out. I told y'all don't follow me. Don't follow me. Cause I'm not gonna cut and switch up these scenes to make it look like I knew what the fuck I was doing. Cause I'm not. You gonna get the real, okay? At the craft corner. All right.
So this is okay. Why is it? How do you get into it? It's like stuck onto the. Ain't no how oh. I thought I was gonna be able to unravel it. Like there would be like a little, you know, where I could just unravel it from the. No, I think I have to cut it. There's no starter. There's no starting point on this. So now I got to get. I see. Okay. So okay. So you're gonna need scissors. Okay. You're gonna need batteries if this works. Now this is. I'm giving you the list if we have a win. If we have a fail, don't go get none of this stuff. Okay. So batteries, scissors, and you're gonna need like a little screwdriver, like one of them small ones, the little ones that do little tiny screws. A little flathead. But like, don't ask me the size. The tiny one. The tiny one. Okay. All right. Let me get some scissors. See, I mean, this is why I don't do crafts. I'm too lazy. It's too much getting up and down. Already, I done got up and down like 3 or 4 times. Okay. Crafts. I don't do this. I don't be doing this. Trying to do something different. See, don't always. Sometimes you just stick with what you know. I told you. At the Uncraft Craft Corner, we very minimal effort over here. Okay.
So we're just gonna stick it. We just sticking it. We sticking it. We placing it. You see this? There's no particular. Just stick it. This is how I had it in my head. Just put it on in there. Okay. It's all right. It's all right. You can use all of it. We only use it. This is how I imagined it. Okay. All right. So be careful, because you know it came from Dollar Tree, so the little sparkles and stuff they gonna get off. They gonna come off. Okay. And now we gonna put the wait. Damn it. How are we gonna see the lights now? Maybe I should have put the lights in first. No. Okay. So we're gonna stick it on around. We're gonna stick it. No. Wait. No. Okay. Take it out. 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 Okay. Take a little bit of it out. I got an idea. Okay, take a little bit of it out. We're gonna stick the little black piece on the inside. Put it on in the, yeah, that. Yeah, do that. Okay. So then we're gonna cover it up. We're gonna cover it up because, like I said, we wanted it to look cute. So we're gonna cover up the little black piece as much as we can. Okay. Okay, hold on. Just give me a second. You know what I mean? Yeah. Imagined it in my head and it was very pretty. Okay. So what I'm doing is I'm double stuffing it. Okay. So I'm putting in the lights at the same time I'm stuffing in the purple mesh. All right. So kind of like this. Okay. So I'm going to put it to where you can see the spiders on the outside of the glass. All right. And then we're going to
wait a second. All right. Yeah, no, it's coming together. It's coming together. It's coming together. Okay. That doesn't mean start doing what I'm doing yet. Don't get excited. I'm not getting excited. You don't get excited if I'm not getting excited. Okay. Well, you know, it's not really looking like how I imagined it, but it's doing. What is it doing? Oh shit. Okay. I probably should have watched somebody on YouTube. I shouldn't have gone on my own. You know, I think somewhere in the Bible it says lean not on your own, on your, something like that. I shouldn't have trusted myself. It's something like that. Okay? It's something about get directions. I always get directions. If I'm lost, I get directions. But it's something in the Bible about getting directions. Don't get direction from me. Not on this. Not on seek. This is not what I saw in my head. What is that? Okay, I want to start over. Can we start over? I want to start over. Let's start over. It's not giving yet. It's not. I wish I was a crafty person. Why did I do this? Can I return stuff at Dollar Tree? I don't think I have the receipt anymore.
Okay. We're going to try it this way. Okay. Maybe, okay, if I'm going to take this, right? The battery thing, okay? I'm going to wrap it in the stuff, the mesh, okay? And then I'm going to place it. Yeah. Okay. So far, I say do that. Okay. So far, we're going to do that. Okay. So So then
Deactivating. I do not understand. Do you wish to delete? All systems down.